Hello everyone, welcome to Meals with Sue. Today's video features the Dish Society restaurant, which has now 4 restaurants serving the greater Houston area and will be opening its first in Austin soon. Take a look at the Dish Society restaurant on San Felipe Road, which is my breakfast haunt to enjoy some quiet time, focusing on journaling and organizing my week's schedule. And this is not too far from my son's school, so it is just perfect. This restaurant boasts of the farm-to-table concept of sourcing quality ingredients from around Texas, including Houston, Austin, Waco, and San Antonia, and crafting these locally sourced ingredients into creative recipes. Strawberries, tomatoes, potatoes, and more are from the Atkinson Farms, a 4th-generation farm that has been producing local staple ingredients for over 30 years. Slow-roasted pecans are sourced from Fatlins nuts. Roasted coffee is from Greenway Coffee and Tea Company, and the vegetables are from Houston's own Henry's Harvest and Calera. The reason for sourcing locally is so the ingredients are fresh when it arrives to be crafted into salads and many other lovely recipes. Quite often, I find myself taking a breather from my busy life. Very few restaurants open at 7 a.m., so it has become one of my favorite places just to stop by after the morning school rush, sip coffee and savor a little breakfast while planning the following videos. Let me know in the comment below if you take a breather and where you hang out to recharge. Please hit the subscribe button to help me grow my channel. My breakfast is not too heavy, so my favorite is the buttermilk pancakes, a latte or matcha coffee. Sometimes I will order avocado toast with eggs. The restaurant's popular dishes include tacos, shrimp and grits, brisket with eggs, Nutella toast, grain bowls, and much more. There are now 4 locations in the greater Houston area, and it is also proudly opening its first in Austin. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to Meals with Sue. I hope you have found this information useful. Enjoy your day. Bye.